have finished knitting the body of the beanie. I have knitted about 19 centimeters in total. Now I'm ready to decrease my stitches and fasten off the top of the beanie. There are other ways to do it, but because I would like to keep it simple, what I will do is to just knit my stitches 2 by 2. So what I will do, first I will create my magic loop in 2 places, and what I will do now is to knit my 2 stitches, the 2 first stitches, as if they were 1 stitch, so like this. Again, the next 2 I will knit them together. I will knit the next 2 together, the next 2 together, and I will continue in this way until I get to the end of the row. By the way, let me place my stitch marker back because it slipped. So my first decrease is here. I will place it back there, and I will continue in this way until I get to the end of the round. It's better to use a pair of double pointed needles if you have one. I will finish this round and meet you again for the next round, but the next round is the same as this one. I have finished my first round of decreases. Now there are 51 stitches on my round. I didn't decrease the last one because there was 1 stitch left. Now I will continue in the same way. Again, I will knit these 2 together, the next 2 together, the next 2 together, and the next 2 together, and I will continue in this way for this round and for one more round. So please do it and I will meet you then. Here I am again. I have finished the decreases. Now I will need to fasten off. I have cut a long tail of yarn and I will use a tapestry needle to fasten off the top of the beanie. So I will thread my tapestry needle, and now I'm going to slip the stitches, the remaining stitches. So like this. Now I will start pulling out my circular needle. Please be careful not to slip any of the stitches. That's why I'm loosening them a little bit. So this one, and this is the last one, I think. Yes. So what I will do now is to tighten the yarn. Now I will slip my threading needle through the stitches in this way to secure it. And here. And I will insert it in the middle. I will turn, and here I will secure my thread in the usual way, the way we do it for other projects. You should be careful the thread not to be visible from the outside, and I will secure my thread a bit more, but this is the way we bind off our beanie. If you would like, you can add a pom-pom here if it's for a baby. So this is an easy way to add the decreases and fasten off the top of the beanie. I hope you liked it.